Platja Marenyet, south of Cullera in the Mediterranean. It's just a gorgeous day here today. The water's slicking up, you could water ski on it. This dredge boat just pulled away from the jetty. Passing a guy fishing on a kayak right now. There's a low haze hanging on the water. Mongo, Elephant Mountain there. We got this guy that's chilling out, doing some fishing. This beach is away from town, so it's very, very quiet. And you can see that the sand is washed away. And right where these tracks run up and down through here, I've been hitting coin after coin after coin. I must have at least 20. I have to buy lunch here pretty quick. Euros. Very tranquil day out here. He just came off that jetty there. In the distance you'll see Cullera. With their kids coming out for a little walk. There's nice shells on the beach. I've been picking up a few shells. There was a big storm that came through a few days ago and washed a bunch of this sand out, and I think that's why I'm finding these coins down here. I was up in the sand above, I didn't find anything. I got down here and I'm just digging. So that's what you want when you're metal detecting. In the Mediterranean here in Spain.